Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to create multiple accounts on Snapchat. This is very easy. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, open Snapchat and go to your Snapchat setting and scroll down. Here you can see there is no option to create another account on Snapchat. What you need to do, how to create another account on Snapchat. Now go to your mobile phone Play Store, or if you have iPhone, go to your App Store and go to your mobile phone Play Store and search here. Uh, Go to your Play Store and iPhone App Store and search here Parallel Space. Here you can see. Click on this Parallel Space and tap on this first application and download this first application. After that, you need to give the all permission. Click on continue, click on allow. After that after that click on start button. Here you can see. Now here you need to add the Snapchat. Here select Snapchat. For example, here select any Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat. After that, click on add to parallel space. Click on this. Now click on accept. Now open your Snapchat application. Here you can see this. Here you need to wait few seconds. After that, uh, here you can see. Now you can create your another account on Snapchat in single device. Now click on continue and you can also create your new account. You can also log in your existing account. Here you can see, in this way you can use multiple or two accounts on your one device on Snapchat. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.